Hello everyone, Linda Peterson here from Linda Peterson Studios. Today I am making another zine. I am in love with this process. It's so fun and freeing, and you get this cute little booklet in the end, which I think is great. Something that you could give to a friend or just have around. Really fun. So anyway, so I'm just starting out, just making some marks like I usually do, and I'm just going to go ahead and paint and add some collage papers and treat this as just one big piece, and then I'll show you in a little bit how to cut it apart to make your zine. So I will let you watch me work, and I will play some music for you and meet you up when I go ahead and cut it apart to make the zine. finishing up the last little bits of collage here, and it looks a little crazy, but once you fold it up, it's amazing what happens. So here we're gonna fold it in half, and we're going to take the scissors and we're going to cut along that middle fold line, and we're going to go cut all the way. And you'll see here I'm going to change scissors because those are too small. It's better to use large pair of scissors, especially on thicker paper like I'm using here. And go ahead and cut to that next fold line that's going perpendicular. You're going to open it up. You're going to fold it the opposite direction, the long way, and you're going to squish it together. And this creates your pages. And you'll find that it won't fold completely flat, and you'll have some pages that don't really line up. Don't worry about it too much. It's not going to be perfect because once you fold the paper and because it's so thick, it's just not going to line up anymore. So, and there's a way to remedy that. You can go ahead and use some pens or paint and just put some marks or color on the pages that are kind of hanging over. And you'll see I keep trying to get this to fold flat, and so that they will line up, and it just doesn't. So embrace it and move on. Otherwise, you're going to drive yourself crazy. So here I decided to cover up some of that text because it was upside down once I folded the zine together. One thing to remember, if you do have text that you want it to be right side up, it needs to be upside down on the fold that's away from you, and then it will turn out to be right side up as you fold it up. And just adding some more collage pieces, and I will get out my Posca pen and also add a few marks here just to add some more interest. So here I decided I was going to write a title for my little zine here, and also some words just to put on the inside of my zine, and it's all about art and creating.
Okay, it's all finished. My little creative zine, so I can enjoy and look at to remind myself when I'm feeling a little down or a little stuck. Got this to encourage me. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't done so, and I hope you all have a wonderful creative day. See you next time.